Hello guys, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. So today our topic is how to make money online without investments. So let's start. You have been it to prefer promises to make money online for free, except they are never actually free. They are always a catch something somewhere and invest you need to make. And you can see here's a setup of you can see the setup and need to make upfront, and it makes sense according to our Reuters reports. And US new business application hit 2-year high in June 23. So every day more people want to know how they can make money online for free. They want to break out of their boring exhausting or otherwise unideal jobs and become their own boss from the comfort of their own homes, and they want to do it without spending the precious sources they have now. Today we are going to show you how to do just that. So we'll look at 11 of the best ways to make money online in 2024. No cash needed for you, and get up and running. So next we have the starting selling online with Shopify. How to make money online without paying anything. Number one, become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack of organizing and the planning, become a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves going various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to email, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. With the number of them solopreneurs increase, the virtual assistant are seeing a sharp increase in demand of their services. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. VAs make around the $27.0 per hour on average, according to Indeed.com. So, some virtual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can follow suit by creating a Facebook business page and super sync with content promotions your services. It's free to create one, and you can share it anywhere on the web. So, number two, do search online. Are you good at using Google to find some specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. So many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and the dependable sources of info for them. Then they share that info with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their tasks. All you need is a computer and the internet access. So here are some companies that regularly look at for online searches and wonder hires virtual researchers to find quality answers to the questions needs to by its clients. Task may involve gathering statistics and explaining market trends or the determining competitive landscapes. 10 hires is the 10 hires experts who can research and answer questions relevant to their particular industry. So if you have extensive knowledge of an industry, you can apply to join the Taniq's team of experts for an opportunity to work on online research projects. So you can also apply the internet research jobs on Upwork and Indeed. Number three, transcribe audio and video files. So artificial intelligence is emerging as a tool to help with speech-to-text transcription. So it's far from perfect. Therefore, many companies rely on the transcriptions to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. So you can lock in a part of role with a company like that, Rev, or work freelance with multiple firms or specific project. Most companies that let you choose which assignments you work on and set your own schedule. The best part is you don't need to invest anything upfront. Simply use the speakers that come built into your computer and transcribe. So to succeed as a transcriber, you will want to strengthen your typing skills. Your work need to be error free and easy for clients to comprehend it. Start practicing by transcribing the short audio file so you are ready to apply for jobs with transcriptions companies. Number four, set up a Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that helps artists and creators that get paid through this platform. Fans can subscribe to project by applying a subscription. If you regularly create videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, you can join the Patreon to let your most passionate fans support your work via a monthly membership. So To be successful on Patreon, you will need to offer your followers something intriguing to earn their spots, and this could mean involving them in your creative process or offering inclusive content created especially for them. Check out these ideas. For rewards, you can offer your fans on the platform, so it's completely free for sign up, and Patreon, the company only receives a small percentage once you start earning. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.